A beautiful, lush green forest bathed in the soft golden morning glow. Birds chirp in the background. Under a grand banyan tree, 4 friends, a graceful deer, a wise black crow, a small yet sharp-eyed mouse, and a slow but sturdy tortoise, sit together, smiling and chatting. Their bond is visible through warm expressions and playful interactions. One fateful morning, as the deer grazed peacefully near the river, the forest suddenly fell silent. The chirping birds took flight, and a chilling stillness settled in the air. From the shadows, a hunter emerged, his piercing eyes scanning the surroundings. Clutching a net in one hand and a spear in the other, he moved cautiously, determined to catch his prey. The deer, unaware of the looming danger, flicked its tail and continued nibbling on the fresh grass. The hunter's eyes gleamed with satisfaction. This was his chance. With a sudden movement, the hunter flung his net high into the air. The fine mesh spread wide, descending quickly over the deer. Startled, the deer leaped, but the trap was too swift. The net closed tightly around its slender legs, preventing escape. The deer kicked, twisted, and struggled, its hoofs pounding against the ground. Fear filled its large, expressive eyes as it realized the trap was unbreakable. Breathing heavily, it called out in distress, hoping someone would come to its rescue. High above, the crow watched in horror as the deer struggled. Without hesitation, it flapped its wings and soared toward the banyan tree, where the mouse and tortoise waited. The deer is in trouble. We must act fast, the crow cawed urgently. The mouse twitched his whiskers. I can chew through the net, he declared, dashing forward. The tortoise, though slow, nodded firmly. Go, my friends. I will do what I can. With a determined nod, the crow flew back, ready to distract the hunter, while the mouse raced toward the trapped deer. Their plan was in motion. Just as the mouse finished gnawing through the last threads of the net, the deer sprang free. The hunter, realizing he had been outwitted, clenched his fists in anger. His prey had escaped. But before he could leave empty-handed, his gaze fell upon the tortoise, moving ever so slowly. With a swift motion, he scooped the tortoise up, tying him tightly with a rope. The tortoise remained calm, knowing his friends would not abandon him. The friends devised a clever plan, tricking the hunter into dropping the tortoise. The mouse chews through the ropes, and the crow confuses him with loud caws. Finally, the hunter, realizing he has been tricked again, storms away in defeat. The 4 friends reunite, embracing each other under the banyan tree as the sun sets, reaffirming their bond of friendship and cooperation. Moral of the story is, friendship and teamwork can overcome any challenge. Stay united, stay strong.
Enjoyed the story? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to H&N Station for more fun and inspiring kid stories.